Okay, so now I'm going to do the same for the other two sides. And then when you come back, we'll see how the box looks completed. Alright guys, so I got all my images on the sides of the box. So now I'm just going to fold the box together. So I'm kind of going to fold down where it was scored at. Fold those in the score lines. And do the sides. Alright, so let's put this box together. This is always the tricky part. Let's see. This way. It has a little tab so you can insert it. In there. Hopefully you guys can see that. That's in there. That goes in there. So we'll get this one in here. In there. Alright, the bottom of the box is built. Now what you can do is put tape here to kind of reinforce it so that it'll stay together. Let me see if I can grab some tape real quick. Alright, I couldn't find my clear tape. All I had was my heating tape, so I'm going to stick this here real quick, just as an example. But of course, you guys use clear tape, and then you can put tissue paper in here. Grab some pink tissue paper so you can stuff your box. With the tissue paper, and then you can put in whatever gifts, candy or candles, whatever you like in there, and just close the box in the front. And then they have a nice little gift box. See? I think this is so cute and perfect for Valentine's Day. Alright guys, until next time, thanks for watching.